T-Mobile is offering unlimited storage, photo storage. Unlimited option is back, but only for the carrier's customers.
Why would they want unlimited storage?
For photos?
For photos.
Well, because otherwise you're paying for it.
Yeah,
Right?
you would have to expand your storage space on Google, right?
But it's weird, T-Mobile. Like a mobile carrier.
Well, I guess it's like a little perk. They're offering you a little perk. They're saying, stay with us, because it's hard to differentiate at this point.
Right.
I guess I'm trying to say it's like, what incentive are they trying to get at here?
Oh, the incentive is clear. They want you to sign up with T-Mobile.
But
Right.
I'm talking about like...
Well, the incentive
why
is
they
clear.
why?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say it like that. As soon as I said it, I was like, oh, man.
And just the way that you had like... You're just like...
No, well, to me, it seems like...
Excuse me, Will. The incentive
With
is
the head
clear.
tilt.
Oh, man.
Mo, I think you need to go now.
Yeah. Oh, right, yeah.
He's not getting kicked off the show.
What a
for the
no,
audience.
no. I know, but it was
You
just
have
too.
to go now.
It was too perfect because he actually does have to get up and leave,
He
but
does,
only
yeah.
for a second. But people are gonna think it was connected to
Yeah. That was great timing.
his.
He'll be back.
The incentive is clear. Shout out DJ Medusa, very generous super chat. Thank you very much.
Well, like with photos, it's very sensitive stuff.
Right.
If you have like, a mobile carrier that's letting you store thousands of photos, personal photos, isn't that kind of weird?
No, I think that they just made a deal with Google, and they're footing the bill for the unlimited package.
Google has our photos.
Well,
okay, I feel much better. Then.
You already knew that. You already knew that they had it.
I thought T-Mobile had their own servers.
No, it's just a deal that they would sign with them, and it's probably going to help them sell like certain models, like maybe this upcoming Pixel 6a that we were talking about. And then they could tell people, oh, you're also, as a perk, because you're standing in T-Mobile, not only are you going to get a promo deal on the phone, but you're also going to get an option for unlimited photo storage.
Gotcha.
Unlimited Google photo storage is back as long as you're a T-Mobile customer willing to spend $15 a month for the honor. The opportunity is coming soon, exclusively to T-Mobile, as reported earlier to Tuesday by The Verge. Customers will be able to store unlimited photos and videos in full resolution, as well as getting 2 terabytes of storage for Gmail and Drive. T-Mobile's other Google storage plans cost $5 a month for 500 gigs of storage and $10 for 2 terabytes. Google Photos started limiting free storage at 15 gigs in June last year and phased out its unlimited option. Now you can sign up for Google One, a subscription service that starts at $2 a month for 100 gigs. So they've been changing the way they're letting you store things online. I know I pay them a bunch of money now for all the storage stuff that we do. On the personal side, I don't think that I do. I don't really store that many personal things. But yeah, just like Apple, at certain thresholds, they start to charge for it. And you apparently have an incentive here to be with T-Mobile. You have special options if you happen to be with T-Mobile. So